If you want to start an online store and sell products online, the first step is creating a Shopify account. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Shopify account from scratch, even if you've never built an online store before. Right now, Shopify is offering a free trial, and after that, you can get your first 3 months for just $1 per month, which makes it one of the easiest and cheapest ways to start an e-commerce business. By the end of this video, you'll have your Shopify account created and be ready to start building your store. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is go down to the description below this video and click the Shopify link I provided. That link will take you directly to the Shopify free trial page so you can start your account. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you decide to continue with Shopify. There's no extra cost to you, and you still get the free trial and $1 per month offer. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Shopify free trial page. Shopify will first ask you to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email you want to use for your Shopify account. Then click the arrow icon to continue. Next, create a password for your Shopify account. Once you get to this page, you'll see Shopify's current offer. Right now, Shopify is offering a 3-day free trial, and after that, you can continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. If you want to continue, you can enter your payment information here or use Shop Pay or PayPal. You'll see the button that says subscribe for $1 USD. If you prefer to skip this step for now, simply click the skip option in the bottom right corner. For this tutorial, I'm going to click skip. Next, Shopify will ask where you would like to sell. If you want to skip this and go straight to the Shopify dashboard, you can click skip. You can choose options like an online store, in person at a retail store, selling at events, social media, online marketplaces, or an existing website or a blog. For most people creating a new Shopify store, you'll want to select an online store. Once selected, click Next. Shopify will now ask if this shop is for a new business or an existing business. If you're just getting started, select New Business or Idea. If you already have a business you're bringing online, you can select Existing Business. For this tutorial, I'll select New Business or Idea. Then click Next. Next, Shopify will ask what you plan to sell. You can choose options like products you buy or make yourself, digital products, drop shipping products, services, print-on-demand products, or you can choose I'll decide later. You can select multiple options here if needed. If you're not sure yet, selecting I'll decide later is perfectly fine. For this tutorial, I'll choose products you buy or make yourself and click Next. Next, Shopify will ask you to name your store. Go ahead and enter the name you want for your Shopify store here. Don't worry too much about this name right now because you can change your store name later inside the Shopify settings. For this tutorial, I'll enter Demo Online Store. Once you've entered your store name, click Finish. Shopify will now finish setting up your account and take you directly into the Shopify dashboard where you can begin building your online store. Once you're inside the dashboard, this is where you'll manage your entire online store. From here, you can add products, customize your website design, set up payments, configure shipping, and launch your store. On the left side menu, you'll see sections like orders, products, customers, content, marketing, analytics, settings. This is where you control everything related to your Shopify store. During your free trial, you can explore Shopify and start building your store. Before launching your store publicly, Shopify will ask you to select a plan. Right now, the best deal Shopify offers is start with the free trial, then pay just $1 per month for the first 3 months. This gives you plenty of time to build your store, add products, and start selling. And that's exactly how to create a Shopify account step by step. Once your account is set up, the next step is building your store, adding products, and customizing your design. I'll link to another video in the description showing how to build a complete Shopify store from scratch. If you want to start your Shopify account with a free trial and $1 per month deal, make sure to use the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.